Hi everyone, it's mathematics time. So today we are going to learn about the basic mathematics, which is the chapter 1. Directed numbers. So let's begin. First in this we got the multiplication and divisions of integers. So first there are some rules you need to know. In multiplication, if we have the positive time with the positive, we will get a positive sign. Then if we get a negative sign time with a negative sign, we will get a positive sign too. So next, if we get a positive sign and a negative sign, we will get a negative sign. And while we get a negative sign times with a positive sign, then we will get a negative sign. So that's all. Okay, so let's begin with some of the examples. So for first example, if we get a negative 6 times with 5, what will be the answers? For this it didn't state is any integers, but if it didn't state, we will know that it is probably plus signs. So negative times with plus, negative times with plus we get a negative sign, and 5 times 6 is 30, so you get a correct answer. So let's try another examples. For a negative 10 times with a negative 2, what will be the answers? So we got a negative and a negative, so it will become positive, and 10 times 2 is equal to 20. Yeah, we got the correct answers. So just now, we also talked about the division of the integers. So let's see. For division, if we got a positive, divide with the positive sign, we'll get a positive sign. Then if we have a negative sign, divide by the negative, we will get also the positive. And if we get a positive sign, divide by the negative sign, we will get a negative sign. While if we get a negative sign, divide by the positive sign, we will also get a negative sign. So actually, both of this is same. It's just that this one is multiply, while this one is divide. Okay, so let's see some questions. Example 1. If we got a 15 divided by 3, if we get, like this one is the positive sign, so this will be a positive sign, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. For positive sign, we also no need to write the positive sign. We can just write the 5, and 5 will be the answers. Okay, let's see the example 2 for more understanding. If we got a negative 64 divided by 4, what will be the answer? So negative divided by this one is positive, so we still get a negative sign. And 64 divided by 4 is 16, so we got our answers. Okay, so let's see the questions. Find the value of the negative 40 plus 60 divided by negative 5 times negative 2. So how to do this? As we know, we have to do the multiply and divide first instead of the plus and minus. So we will do this one first. So it will be negative 40 plus 60 positive divided by negative, we got negative. And 60 divided by 5 is 12. So time with the negative 2. So after that, we will do this one first. So it's negative 40 plus with negative time with negative is positive. 12 times 2 is 24. So we got negative 40 plus 24. So the negative plus we get negative, and the answer is 16. So we get our answers.